أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we all are here for 76th Republic Day celebration. Respected dignitaries who are here, Principal Dr. Sirajuddin Chowdhury Sahab, and all the teachers, non-teaching staff, at the same time the NCC officers, Dr. Rafi Ahmed, as well as Manisha Man, along with that NSS volunteers, brothers and sisters. I welcome you all with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. I welcome you all with a very, very good morning. Here, as I said, we all are here for the celebration of 76th Republic Day. आरंभी देवाचे नाव, कृपाळू जो कनवाळू स्तुती त्या देवाची, प्रभू जो विश्वाचा, कृपाळू कनवाळू स्वामी शेवटच्या दिवसाचा, तुझी करू भक्ती तुझीच रे याचना, सरळ मार्ग चला तू आम्हा, ज्यावरी तू करदेवशी कृपा त्याच्या ना, ज्यावरी तुझा प्रभू पुत्रे नावा भ्रमित जय त्याच्या. महडरे देव तो एक, देव तो निरपेक्षच, नवे जनता नवे जन, नसे कोणी ही तस्सा. So we all are here for the 76th Republic Day celebration. The Republic Day honors 26th January, and our Indian Constitution came into effect on 26th January 1950 at 10:18 a.m. The preamble of the Constitution talks about sovereign, socialist, secular, republic, democratic, and it gives the guarantee of justice, integrity, liberty and brotherhoodness. Here we talk about the implementation of our beloved Constitution, whose chief architect was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sahab, and the drafting committee's member, constant member of assembly, was Maulana Hasrat Mohani. He was the same Maulana Hasrat Mohani who gave the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad. At the same time, in 1942, he talked about complete independence, Kamil Azadi. We know India got freedom on 15th August 1947. You might also have heard the first freedom struggle was fought in 1857, but I'll let you know. In reality, the first freedom struggle was fought at the Battle of Plassey, the first Battle of Plassey, according to historians, by Sirajuddaula against the Britishers' force, where Sirajuddaula gets the martyrdom. And after that, that was 100 years before of 1857, remember. The first Battle of Plassey took place in 1757, exactly 1 century before. And it was noticed that it continued. Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali, they fought 4 wars against Britishers. That is Anglo-Mysorean War. That was from 1766 to 1799. And I'll let you know, the inventor of rocket technology was none but Hyder Ali and his son Tipu Sultan. It was famous by Mysorean rockets. At the battlefield, Tipu Sultan, his army people told him to get away from the secret passes. He said no. The life of a lion, the lion's life of 1 day is better than fox's life of 100 years. And he got martyred. After that, in 1857, when our India was at the threshold of getting the victory, at that time, Bahadur Shah Zafar, he took the lead in his hands, and at the age of 82, he comes out from the Red Fort with a sword. He fights in the Humayun Maqbara in Delhi. That Bahadur Shah Zafar along with his 2 sons was arrested. At that time, English officer Major Hudson, he was knowing little Urdu, he said that, he taunted as Bahadur Shah Zafar, said that, दम दमे में दम नहीं, खैर मामू जान की, ऐ जफर ठंडी हुई, शमशीर हिंदुस्तान की. At that time, he was a king, he was a poet of par excellence. He says that, गाजियों में बू रहेगी, जब तलक ईमान की, तख्ते लंदन तक चलेगी, तेग हिंदुस्तान की. He said in 1857, and this couplet of his Urdu came true in 1940, 83 years later. And everybody knows, Jallianwala Bagh Kand massacre took place in 1919, where General O'Dwyer kills mercilessly of innocent peoples. Lala Rajpat Rai was martyrdom. He got martyrdom over there. Udham Singh in the National Assembly in London, 1940, kills General O'Dwyer. Exactly 21 years later of the Lala Rajpat Rai death, and 83 years later, the couplet of Bahadur Shah Zafar. I'll tell you. After that, we have heard the name of Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh. We also know Ashfaqullah Khan. He sacrificed himself at the age of just 27 years. And after that, if you put and see the entire scenario, there was Maqbool Ahmad, Maghfoor Ahmad, Dr. Zakir Hussain, Dr. Zakir Hussain along with Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So many are there, a big list is there. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, Arafi Ahmad Khidwi, all those sacrificed for the sake of freedom, for getting India's freedom on 15th August 1947. I'll quote over here. Maulana Abul Kalam.